everyone. Today I have a comic mystery box from ComicTom 101. It's the mystery mail call. This one is the April package. Has mystery mail call on the back and geek responsibly. It's first time opening this, so I believe it's like 4 to 7 comics a month, and then there's also some exclusives. So I'll point out which ones are the exclusives and we can see what else we got. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can actually find this box. And yeah, let's see what we have. So it comes packaged in a black bag to keep the suspense up. And all the comics come in a Gemini mailer. Everything comes in the black bag to keep the surprise up. I'm going to just take those out now. Let's see what we have. First book is the Avengers 292. As It Came from the Depths on the cover. Next book. The Amazing Spider-Man with the Hulk. It's number 381. And here is an art print. I am not really sure, I mean it's Medusa, but I'm not sure what comic it's from. It's number 43 out of 500. Here's our next book. Batman Gotham Adventures, number 12. I think I actually have number 11 or 13, so that's great that I got one right around it that I already have. Oh, here is another art print. This one is number 1725 out of 2100. Here's the next book. I'm actually not sure what this one is, so I'll have to check. The Verdant variant cover though. It's an exclusive for ComicTom. And it's Soulstream number 1 special edition for 2021. Here's the cover again, and then here's the back. Here's our next one. So this is one of the exclusives for the month. This one is Cult of Dracula number 1. And then here's the last exclusive for the month. Oh, I got the Virgin variant. So this is Haha number 3. These two, actually these 3, were exclusive to the mystery mail call. And then here is the cheat sheet. So there were 1,500 of the one that says haha on the top, and then 1,000 of the Virgin variant. So we got 1 out of 1,000. Then for the Cult of Dracula, there were 1,250 of these. So we got this one. This was the most common one to get. And then there were 350 of these, so got one of these. Still not really sure what it is. I'm gonna have to look into it a little bit more. So I think that's great. And then for the art prints, it looks like we got this one. That was the 500 prints, and then this one right here, that was 2,100 prints. But here are all the different options that you could have gotten this month and all the different variants that you could have gotten. I think this is actually a great value for this box. It's, I want to say with shipping around $42, so it's not bad for one of the monthly boxes. And again, I'll leave a link in the description to this site so you guys can check it out. And if you have any comments, please just leave them below. And if you could like and subscribe, that would be great. Thanks everyone. See you in the next one. Bye.